Hello. So today's video, we're going to take a look at Note. And Note is the program that you will see on your desktop in green. By double clicking on that, it will open up a program. Note works like PowerPoint or Word in the sense that you need to save the document that you're working on after each time you use it. It is not like the cloud where it will update automatically. When you open up your screen, you will more than likely see a light green to your background. If you do not like this background, you will need to do the following. You will need to come over here to your menu, and you will need to open that up. Go to Settings, and then here in this menu, you can change the default background color. Once you do that, you will choose the color that you like. You will click OK, and you will then need to exit the program in order to see the new color take effect. Do you want to save? No, I don't care about saving the file. I just want it to change my color for my background. Hopefully, this video tutorial will help you in opening up Note from your desktop as well as from your panel, and will help you so that you can get the background color you like.